Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega. For this time, I'm giving some insights of what will be the scenario or situations of different 12 zodiac signs. Firstly, the horse gets the breakthrough, while the rat gets the breakdown. So it is a bad year for the rat, okay? Water and liquid industry may suffer this time, and there may be not only drought but also we call it La Nina spell. Okay, who else will have that breakthrough? So the horse, the tiger, and the dog will have the breakthrough. Unluckily for the pig born, they have the Sifu energy, so be very careful about your life. We have video content here. Just play it. Psalm 121 to avert problems, especially in traveling. And for anyone who will be in the aspects of breakdown, the rat, the tiger is not so much, the the rooster and the ox and the tiger, and also the snake who has the Bingfu energy or the illness star for this year. All you have to do is play the Namgyalma mantra, Om Rum Soha Om Amrita Ayur Dade Soha, and also play the Metta Sudha. Am Abero Homi Abhyapajo Homi Anigo Homi Sugi Aranam Pariharami Mama Marapidu Achariyaja Sabrama Arinoja. That's the Metta Sutta of that's the best singer, a nun, a Buddhist nun, who sang that this Metta Sutta, or the Namgyalma mantra, or the Psalm 121. Okay, so those who have that energy of breakdown have to cross a body of water this time onwards. The first lunar calendar, first month of the lunar calendar, from February 17 up to March 3 or beginning March. Cross a body of water, especially if you will be able to travel down to Hong Kong, going to Macau, ride on a ferry boat and offer something to the water. You can offer penny or small centavo 5 pieces to the water and offer it to the dragons living in Kowloon. Okay, so the breakthrough are horse, dog, tiger, dragon, who else? Dragon. Those are the big breakthrough. The monkey, so the monkey has the Death Star. Sun Mang for the monkey. Negative. Monkey is negative this year. Same goes to snake, rat, pig. They are breakdown. Okay. So from top to bottom, we say rat breakdown, ox in the middle of breakdown and breakthrough, tiger not so much but going down to breakdown, rabbit is also breakdown, dragon is in the middle of the breakdown and breakthrough. Don't expect too much this year because You are on the Diauke. We call it Diauke, meaning the energies are just moving around, volatile, not permanent. And then we have this breakthrough, the tiger, the dog, the horse, and the tiger. Who else break through? Chi, Gu, Ho, To, Ding. Dragon is in the middle of the breakthrough and breakdown. A snake has the illness star. Sheep is also negative. Monkey has the sun mang, so triple negative star, okay? While those born rooster has the argumentative star 3. So beware of litigation or something to do with legal issues. And then I told already the dog is also breakthrough. So if you're in the position of the breakthrough, be very fast or clear in your mind to push through and to pull through. You cannot hold back, because when you say breakthrough, things are going fast, very fast. So you have to move also very fast. Winning the lottery tickets would be the horse, the dog, and the tiger.